Here you will learn how to pronounce words from 2013. How to pronounce words from 2013 American English pronunciation lesson. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this pronunciation guide, we'll learn how to clearly and fluently say the phrase, words from 2013. This phrase might appear in conversations about language trends, slang, or words that gained popularity in the year 2013. Pronouncing it correctly helps you sound knowledgeable and articulate when discussing culture, media, or the evolution of the English language. Let's break it down. Words, as in vocabulary, from, a linking preposition, and 2013, pronounced 2013. Now say it with me slowly. Word from 2013. Repeat that 3 times. Words from 2013. Words from 2013. Words from 2013. Pay attention to the connected speech and rhythm. Native speakers blend these sounds smoothly. If you're preparing for a presentation, podcast, or classroom discussion, mastering phrases like this will make your speech more natural and confident. Remember, language is always changing, and so is pronunciation. This lesson is part of our special series on how to say tricky or unusual phrases in English. If you enjoy this kind of content, give us a like and check out our full pronunciation playlist. You're doing great. Now try saying it on your own. Words from 2013.